Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm filming here at the Vidorra Knox District today. The Vidorra Knox District. This is in the Knox area of Dallas, Texas. This is a very pretty, very recently built mid-rise apartment in a fantastic area of Dallas called Knox. What we're doing is, this is actually a refresh filming. We have filmed here before when it first opened. We wanted to get just some more content for you too. We've got a new camera that may reveal some new things, and then also just wanted to see a new model that you haven't seen before and just show it off. And it's always good to see it just when it's after it's up and running a little bit more. So that's why I wanted to show this off to you. Probably have about 10 videos or so. They're short, you can just watch them. They're all in this playlist. And so just sit back. This is like your tour, except for to me it's more detailed, it's better, but you can skip around at any time on any part of it. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, or if you're ready for a tour at any time, the Vidorra Knox District, send me a text. The reason you want to do that is we can help with any apartment in Dallas, any of the best, not just the Vidorra. But also we can do this really cool thing with virtual tours. We can set up multiple virtual tours live for you on the same day. You don't have to even come here in person. We can have them all set up for you so that people can show you at each place what's open, and you can make your decision all online. You don't have to come in person. We can also set up in-person tours as well. So anyway, my number's below. Text me at any time to request that or just to say hi. Okay, now we're going to talk a little bit about the Vidorra, the Knox District. I want to talk on the next video. Let's do that right now.